Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you all? I think you all are fine at home. Stay home and stay safe. Today I am going to take seminar on artificial intelligence. What is the symbol of artificial intelligence? The symbol of artificial intelligence is AI. Let me split the word and describe it. Artificial plus intelligent. The meaning of artificial is which are made by humans is known as artificial. And what is the meaning of intelligence? Ability to understand. If we have the capacity to understand some content with no help, that is called as intelligence. Now, who was coined artificial intelligence? The term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy in 1956. He was the first who coined artificial intelligence. Next, what is artificial intelligence? AI is the technique in which getting machines to work and behave like humans. Example, robot. Because robot is getting machines to work and it is looking like human, right? Because we have cells, we have blood, but it doesn't have blood. Instead of blood, there is some machines in that. So it is getting work from machine. We are getting work from blood, using blood. It is working like humans, speaking, walking, talking, everything it is doing. So this is the difference between, because it is artificial, we are nature. What I have said in beginning, artificial means human made. Human made using their intelligence. So it is called artificial intelligence. That is the example for artificial intelligence. Now let me go to next. Artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Some of them are thinking that these three are not interconnected, but that is very wrong. These three are same content. These three are very interconnected. In Siri is an application in which artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning are interconnected with each other. Since they have same and common applications, they will never be separated. The best example of artificial intelligence is Google, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. There are many artificial intelligence. Next, if we are taking the course of artificial intelligence, these subjects are included like philosophy, sociology, biology, maths, computer science, psychology and neuron science. Next, what I am coming to say is the artificial intelligence is interconnected with our daily lives. For example, we don't know the meaning for intelligent means we will take our mobile and type in Google. I have said you that the Google is best example for artificial intelligence. That is also made by human, right? So this what I am coming to say is, today I have said some points of artificial intelligence. I have explained you what are on the subject and what examples and types of AI and uses of AI. I have splitted and I have said you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.